Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Curia Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. So today I'm gonna do an update video on our house, our 3.5 million peso Philippine Mansion, I like to call it. This video is just gonna be a continuous video, no cuts, no edits. I won't make it real long for you guys, but it is 7 o'clock in the morning. We were up last night until 2 doing a project, which I will show you. So I'll walk around the outside of the house and then I'll go on the inside and I'll show my office and the small bathroom and the living room. I'm not going to go into the master bedroom or the master bath. My wife is still sleeping. Like I said, it's 7 o'clock and she was up. Well, we were both up really late working on this project. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So if you haven't seen, this is a 3.5 million peso house that we built here in the Philippines. We finished construction in the middle of December, and it is now February 2nd, I think. So 3.5 million. That got the house, the carport, the driveway, and the perimeter wall. This is a 1,000 square meter lot. So Snuffy just woke up too, so he's looking for a place to crap. So I'll walk right here. Somebody was asking me about grates, about drainage. This is a grate for drainage. They're also around the house. So we've been trying to do some landscaping. It's just, I'll be honest with you, it's tough when you're living in the Philippines on a budget, a retirement. A lot of you guys are gonna come over here and retire in the Philippines and you're gonna be on a budget. And I'll make a video coming up about the real cost of living. But you could easily live in the Philippines on $2,000 a month, even with really nice things, not like the US. So this is our pump house, our new addition to our family. This is where I'm storing all of our project materials. We're doing all the projects primarily ourselves. So we bought 6 exotic chickens. These are called Chinese Silkies. And we got a really good deal. We got 6 pieces for 1,700 pesos. That's unheard of. They're usually between 1,000 to 5,000 per pair. We got 2 roosters. They're still kind of afraid. We got 2 roosters and 4 hens. The roosters are the ones with the thing on their head. We got 2. We got a big one and a medium. So it's those. Been working on the water. I put back flush so that I could flush these out once a week. Try to extend the life of these filters. This is our deep well. It's 140 feet. And we get a lot of sand and sediment, so I gotta change out and clean those filters regularly. Still need to do some work on here. I'm gonna put valve here, so that I can use one set at a time. All right. So those, we just got these chickens like 3 days ago. This is just temporary, them staying in here. And I know you guys are gonna say, well, why don't you let them run in the yard? Well, because they won't come out of there. They haven't come out yet. They're afraid of the dogs. Even if I put the dogs in, open the gate, they just don't want to come out. So Saturday, or Friday actually, we're gonna build a chicken coop here. There'll be a chicken coop here from that pole to that pole going across. And then we're gonna fence in that section there. And then I'll leave it open in the day, so if they wanna come out, they can. So that's what we're doing. That's why we got that material there, and we got all that screen there. Got a lot of new hoses hooked up around the property for all the flowers that we've been getting. Last night I pressure washed all of this. It was filthy actually from all the work we've been doing. Pressure washed the whole front. I got a really nice pressure washer. Pressure washed all this. Still got some tools out here. That's my pressure washer. I forget the name of it. Green Field. So if you're looking for a good pressure washer, I recommend that Greenfield. It really has a lot of power. And in the Philippines, you don't want to get something that's over powerful because of the electric issues that, you know, they have. Christine has been working on growing a lot of flowers and plants. This is her herb garden she's growing. Look at this. She grew these from seeds, these peppers. Those, forget the name of those. What are they, like a ghost pepper? Some kind of super hot pepper. But yeah, she grew those from seeds. I can't believe how fast they're growing. I'll show you the back here. We've been doing a lot of work back here. This is our flower garden. We planted that one little tree. I'm not really sure what that tree is, but that thing is growing so fast. I think it's actually too close to the wall, depending on how big it gets. But she's got plants coming up, plants. She's really good at growing plants. I'll just show one thing over here real quick. We did manage to get the electricity fixed. We were having some issues with electric. So we got that line, that main line there. That is a, it was a 6 gauge and now we got a 2 gauge wire. Just show you inside real quick. Yeah, I'm not gonna edit. It's too early, and I just want to get this video out for you guys. There's a Wiener. So Wiener and Snowball are going to get fixed Friday. We're taking them to get. Wiener's gonna get what's that called? A vasectomy. I think it's called neutering. And Snowball will get spayed if she's female. Alexa, turn on living room lights.
Okay.
Okay, let's show you what we've been working on last night. Look at this. Our kitchen is finally complete. We've been working on that backsplash all night. Let me show you this. That is brushed aluminum. That's real aluminum. And I'll be honest, Christine did all the work on this. I usually do all the projects. She said she wanted to try it herself, and she did. And she did a fantastic job. Neither one of us are experts. She even cut all the little pieces to go in the bottoms because it's like edged. So I saw that somewhere. We bought that from City Hardware. So this whole house is a smart house. We got all these smart switches. Everything's voice activated. ACs are all voice activated. TV. all the lights. We just got this. That is a battery backup for the Wi-Fi router when the power goes out, so you still have power on your Wi-Fi, so you can still watch TV or whatever. Show you my new office. So this is bedroom number 3. If you've been watching along from the beginning, this is bedroom number 3. But we decided to turn it into my office and Christine's office. Why does her office have all cooking supplies? Because that's what she does. She is a chef. So she likes to cook. Here's those, I wanted to show you these. So we got these at City Hardware. Peel and stick, but they're real aluminum, and they actually were on sale. So they're normally like 490 pesos. We got them for 310 a piece. So like, what's that, like $5.80, I think, per 2. You only get 2 per pack. So I mean, it's kind of expensive, but it is aluminum. You can see, and you can trim them and cut them. So yeah, that's what she did there. This is also our laundry, so we can do laundry and storage. Got my window AC there. We brought that from the farm. We wanted to reuse it because it was brand new. So that's the only one that's not split type. And this is all smart. Alexa, turn on supply room. Alexa, turn on pantry lights.
Okay.
See that? Alexa, turn off pantry lights.
Okay.
I really recommend all these switches. My brother said he just bought some. These are really nice and not too hard to install. I'm actually gonna get 4 more. All these outside lights, they're on regular switches, which makes it kind of a pain in the ass because you gotta remember to turn these off, which I'd rather have it set on a timer with the, if I get that smart switch, I can go to the app and set those up. We also got curtains. Oh, and the kitchen cabinets. Finally got all the kitchen cabinets installed, and we got the lighting installed underneath. We got strip lighting, and that's all voice activated. This is our spare bathroom. We ended up going with shower curtains instead of going with glass walls. One, to save a little bit of money. It was about $24,000 for both bathrooms. And 2, just to make it easier to clean, because usually you just spray the floor and use a squeegee and a brush or whatever, scrub the floor, squeegee the water into the shower. That's our shower. We got all smart mirrors. Oops. Yeah, 3.5 million. Also, my brother was asking about my karaoke system. This is a JBL party box. This thing was like $600. Very expensive, but man, this thing is nice for karaoke. Bluetooth to the TV. We have little parties here with my friends. American friends. They come over and we sing with their wives and have a good time. Usually these plants will be on the floor, but at nighttime we have to put them up because that little shit, she likes to eat plants. So we gotta keep them up at night, put them down in the day. All right, guys, well, that is about it. I think that's all the updates. Living life here in the Philippines, love it. Very happy here. So if you guys are contemplating moving to the Philippines, I would suggest saving up like 70,000, come over here, get some land, build a nice house. You know, it doesn't have to be as extravagant as this. It doesn't have to be as big. You know, you don't need a 3-bedroom. You could come over here and build a 1-bedroom, you know, small house, or 2-bedroom. You know, it doesn't matter. But I wanted an office. I wanted laundry and a pantry, and so we got all that. And then we have a 2nd bedroom. That's actually where our dogs sleep, these 2 little ones. And master bedroom, master bath. So I'll just sneak in real quick. I know she's sleeping. Got the walk-in closet. Master bedroom. It's the master bath. That's the shower we ended up going with. We went with this L-shaped jacuzzi tub, smart toilet. It's a smart toilet. Smart mirror. All right, guys, let me get out of here. I don't want to wake her up. She needs her beauty sleep. Like I said, we were up late. All right, guys, well, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for, we got a lot of projects coming up, a lot of DIY videos, and I did some videos on transferring money to the Philippines. Check those out. Wise, Remitly, MoneyGram, Western Union, all those. I did comparisons on all, which one was best. Check those videos out. Yeah, all right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.